Hi guys, Ninjakidextreme Gaming here with Alex, whatever your last name is. See my baby? Yeah, we're loading it up. 16 bullets. It holds 20, but we only have 16, so yeah, we have 18, but 17. But I shot one on that roof, so we're gonna have to deal with it. So we'll meet you back at the test site when we get the thing loaded. It's gonna have 4 left, so we have 1 more bullet. When we get the thing loaded, and see you there.
Well, there's 5 left.
Hi guys, we seem to have lost a bullet, but we're here at the test site. So yeah, we're gonna be testing out this Jolt, this Flip Fury,
No, we're not testing my guns out.
this Strato thing, that Doominator,
We're not testing my guns out.
and my Swarm Fury. Ready? Is it on? Flip it on. Ready? Fire! That was epic. Look at all these. Hopefully this is 15. I want to see you with that. Like, hold it up like you're shooting it. Yeah. That's good for my viewers. You will look epic for my viewers. Come on, my viewers want to see all these guns, like, shot.
They don't need to be.
Yeah, I know. So we're going to have 1 bullet for this Jolt. Ready? I'll meet you back when it's fully locked and loaded. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm going to hold it one hand so you guys get the full COD experience. Get it, COD? Black Ops.
Yeah.
So, that went okay. So, yeah, that went okay. We're going to test out this crossbow now. Well, that's fine. It doesn't matter. It totally matters. Like, totally. I'll meet you back when I get this crossbow fixed. Okay, we're back.
This
So
is your first video?
this is my first video, yeah. So, ready? Aim. Fire. Ooh, that was pretty. Oh, yeah. Pretty. Pretty. That was pretty for him. Bro, that's savage. So, now we're going to be testing out these 2 guns. We're going to only load 1 drum in the Doominator because we don't want the video to be too long. And 1 drum in the Flip Fury. I guess. I mean, we already reached 3 minutes, so.
So what? My video's going to 15 minutes.
Fine. We're gonna load full drums. I'll meet you back when we're ready. Okay, guys, we decided to do full drums. This is Flip Fury, full drum. See it? It's beautiful.
Wait.
So,
Wait.
yeah, ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yep.
Go. Try not to break it.
Well, that one went over the fence. It shoots pretty far.
Yeah. We just gotta test the Doominator. Hopefully I can open up this fence. I got it. Yeah, I know. Well, I'll meet you back when we get the Doominator loaded. Hi guys, we're back. We have a 15 dart thing. We decided to do full darts because he wanted to do full darts. So blame him. If the video's too long.
The video's not going to be too long.
Yes, it will be. Sorry, we got the Jolt, the crossbow, that, and my baby. Beautiful warm fire. Well, ready? Go.
Crap.
What?
This gun jams a lot, by the way. I would not recommend this gun.
Let's give it a big punch to the face. So, welcome to Ninjakidextreme. Ready? Go. Are you ready?
Does that a lot too.
So that's all our Nerf guns. Look how many bullets.
That's not a lot of bullets.
I know it's not a lot.
Darts. Say darts.
So yeah, welcome to Ninjakidextreme Gaming. We're gonna have a nice time on YouTube. We're gonna be having some Pokemon videos. We're gonna be having I will make Pokemon videos because I'm a Pokemon expert apparently. Like this guy. What's your YouTube?
Gametime524.
Okay, so that's his YouTube, so go subscribe to him. Hope you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I will not smash your face in because you subscribed to me and liked me, and yeah. And I'm sorry for being too violent right now. I'm at my friend's house, wherever he was, his YouTube was again, this is his house. I live just down the street, like 3 houses from his house. I won't give you our exact addresses. That'd be weird. He's playing Clash Royale. I play the game too, but I'm not really into it. I'm more into Clash of Clans. He does not like Clash of Clans. And have a good time out there. And as we say with the ninjas, we must swear the ninja code. Yeah, I might have to. I can't edit right now. I don't know how to edit, so that I can't edit. So I'll meet you when I get inside. Hey guys, I'm inside this house. I don't really want you to see what his house looks like. So have a good time and see you, ninjas.